CB or 600. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going motorcycle shopping with Dee and Nikki. Those two are planning on getting motorcycles together. I don't know exactly when they're gonna get them. They might get one this weekend and then another one soon after. For sure might get one this weekend, we'll see. All right, so we just pulled up the ride now off Blanding. They got motorcycles here, so we better go check it out. They got a lot of stuff here too. What you trying to get, bro? Trying to get that CBR 600, boy. 2013. Said he about to drop 10 rats right now. Cash. Talking to cash, boy. Talking to cash. I it look like she want to touch something. All right, so this trip was a bust. The two bikes that they were about to buy were already sold, but they're still on the website. So they're a bit upset about that one. We're gonna stop at another place, and then hopefully we're walking out with a bike today. So I'm over here time lapsing, and they actually signing the papers to actually get these bikes. So yeah.
Suzuki's the lowest, then Honda, then Cowie, then Yamaha in general.
You ain't buy that. You ain't buy that.
I got a Honda. Put a turbo on that bitch. I need to straight pipe that. We'll straight the SNS tonight. For the SNS tonight.
Oh snap, bike one of two. Bike one of two.
Yeah.
That bit fire. Got on a jacket. What you think, bro?
That bit was fun, bro. That bit 2.5 hours. That was time.
Sorry it's a little dark out here, but they just got back from Daytona. They stopped in St. Augustine, Daytona, and then somewhere in Ocala or somewhere in that area. So it is a Yamaha R3 2017. D had to ride it all the way back home because he didn't want to have to ship it, and it was his first time riding, which is kind of funny. They really got bikes out here, boy. He really got a bike. That's crazy. Well, this is Nikki's bike. D hasn't got his bike yet. Alright, so we got some good lighting so we can get a good look at the bike now. Woo!
This hurts my earrings.
So that's gonna do it for this video. They got the bike, well, one of two. D still has to get his, but they got Nikki's 300 Yamaha R3. It looks pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.